Hi, how are ya? So today, we will be dyeing our hair. For the... How many times have I done my hair already? This is like the 5th time? 4th? It's not that much. So, judging from the title, I'm pretty sure you know what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be dyeing our hair. But this time, it's gonna be a natural color. I know I can't dye my hair until the summer because of school. But yeah, today I've been wanting to go blonde for like a while now, and today we will be doing that. I don't think it's gonna turn out completely blonde because I didn't want to bleach my hair because I don't want to damage it. Like, it's virgin from the top. From the bottom, it's already, you already know what we've done to it. But yeah, I didn't want to go to that extreme yet, so little by little I'm gonna start changing the hair color, little by little. So I went to Sally's and I got, my mom told me what to get because she dyes her hair, so she said this is what I should get, and this is what I got. So supposedly these are organic, so they're less damaging than other products, which is good because my poor hair, I don't want it to go through that much damage. So this is what I'm using. Honestly, I don't know what this is. Like, she just told me to, like, if you want to dye your hair, just use this. But this is just gonna lighten my hair. It's not gonna completely drastically change my hair color from brownish black to white platinum blonde. So this is Kit Slay from the future, and let me just say that it kind of did change my hair color a lot. You'll see further on, but let's continue. But little, as I said, little by little. We're gonna go little by little. This is what it is. And then the Cream Developer 40 volume. As I said, I have no idea what any of this is, but we're gonna be using it on this. So I am going to get everything prepared, and we're just gonna dye our hair. Yeah. So let's get started, shall we? Okay. All right. So since I have never done this before, my mama is going to help me do it. Since I can't really reach the back, I mean I can, but like I really want to get it good. She was kind enough to help me do it today. So she will be joining us today in dyeing my hair. While she's doing all that mixing, I'm getting my hair prepared. She told me to do these 2 buns to keep it away. And this is the first part we're going to start off with. Also, my bangs came out because I got bangs, everyone. Alright, so I'm going to do a time lapse because there's no point in, I guess, just... I'm pretty sure, I don't know what to say. So my mother went to go get some new gloves, and so far she says it's working. I can't really see it much, but I can see from the top. I didn't think it was gonna work that well. Wow. I can't even see. The only thing I can see is this. What you're seeing right now is what I'm seeing. Alrighty, so she is done with that part. I'm excited. Not gonna lie. So I was left to finish the job. So, wow, oh my gosh, it's not gonna be black anymore. Okay, so I'm just going to mix again the ingredients to do this part. So she's just gonna finish the job because she's a great mom like that. Alrighty, so now we just wait. She just finished doing this part, and I'm gonna wait about 15 minutes so my hair doesn't fall off. Okay, so I let it sit. Oh, I'm not supposed to grab it. I let it sit for about half an hour with the bag, and then I just decided to take it off. But I'm gonna go take a shower, and I'll be back again. How many times have I said that? But yeah, we're getting close to our results. So yeah, BRB. Alrighty, so I blow dried my hair and I let the bangs out. Are y'all ready to see the final result? I don't know what I'm doing with my hand, it's kind of weird. But here it is. This is the hair color that we got. And let me just say, I love it so much. I can't stop playing with it and I can't stop looking at it. I never expected to get this type of hair color because my hair was black. And then it was virgin too, so like I didn't think it was gonna drastically change it, as I mentioned earlier in the video, but it kind of did. Like, it really lightened it a little. And I'm really happy with the results, if I have not mentioned yet. But yeah, this is it. This is the hair. This is it. I don't know what else to say. Any whoosies? So that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much. I'm sorry. New hair, new me. I'm kidding. Still same old me. But that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more videos coming soon to Kid Slay. And stay tuned because this isn't going to be the last time I dye my hair. Trust me. I'm sorry, hair, but yeah. I'm going to dye more colors. But anywhoosies, thank you once again for joining me in my adventure of dyeing my hair. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.